Brevo versus Mailchimp. Full comparison, watch before using. Stop letting your email marketing platform charge you a fortune just to store your contacts. Look, Mailchimp used to be the only name in the game, but times have changed. Now we have powerful, all-in-one platforms like Brevo, the powerhouse formerly known as Sendinblue, directly challenging the giant. You need a platform that's easy to use, highly automated, and won't bankrupt you as your list grows. In this video, I'm giving you the most honest comparison of Brevo versus Mailchimp, diving into the features, the automation power, and the single biggest difference, their pricing models. By the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for your business. And remember, if you want to try either of these conversion tools right away, the direct links to grab the best deals are all waiting for you in the description below. 2. Platform 1. Mailchimp, the Design King. Starting with the brand everyone knows, Mailchimp. Mailchimp is still the go-to for one reason: ease of use and beautiful design. If you're a beginner, a small creator, or a startup whose primary focus is just sending visually stunning email newsletters, Mailchimp shines. Why people love it? The interface is super intuitive and their drag-and-drop email editor is arguably the best for creative freedom. You can make beautiful, on-brand emails with minimal effort. The Mailchimp warning. Mailchimp becomes wildly expensive as you scale because they charge you based on your total subscriber count regardless of how many emails you actually send them. Plus, its automation, SMS, and CRM tools are often simpler or locked behind their most expensive tiers. It's great for beginners, but it can quickly feel like an anchor if you're scaling quickly. If Mailchimp's design-first approach sounds perfect for your brand, don't wait. I've dropped the direct link for Mailchimp in the description, so you can jump straight into building those beautiful campaigns. Next up, we have Brevo. If Mailchimp is the design king, Brevo is the scaling beast. Brevo is built for businesses that need omni-channel marketing, meaning they need to communicate via email, SMS, chat, and even manage sales from a basic CRM, all from one dashboard. Why Brevo wins at scale? The single biggest advantage is their pricing model. Brevo charges you based on the volume of emails you send, not the size of your contact list. You can have 100,000 subscribers and only pay for the 10,000 emails you sent that month. This is a game changer for large lists with low send frequencies. They offer a more robust free tier, which includes SMS and much deeper marketing automation features, making it the superior choice for high-volume senders, agencies, or anyone needing more than just email. This robust all-in-one scaling model is fantastic. To start taking advantage of that powerful pricing model, check out the Brevo link I've included right below the video. 4. Key comparison: pricing, features, and best fit. Let's break down the three most critical areas where these two platforms differ. Pricing structure, the deciding factor. Mailchimp, subscriber count pricing. If you add a contact, you pay for them, even if you never email them again. This is why many people abandon Mailchimp after hitting 10K or 20K subscribers. The monthly fee becomes astronomical. Brevo, email volume pricing. This is why Brevo is often the best long-term investment. Pay for what you use. They also offer a generous free plan that includes up to 300 emails per day and essential marketing tools. Automation and CRM. Mailchimp. Automation is simpler, focused mostly on abandoned carts, welcome series, and basic segmentation. The CRM features are minimal. Brevo is highly advanced, supporting complex workflows based on customer behavior, lead scoring, and SMS triggers. The built-in sales CRM means you can manage pipeline activities right next to your email stats. This cross-channel capability is unparalleled on this list. Omni-channel capabilities. Mailchimp, primarily an email tool. You can add paid integrations for SMS and chat, but they're not native. Brevo is truly omni-channel. SMS and live chat are built in natively, allowing you to create comprehensive sequences where a follow-up email is followed by an SMS reminder if the email isn't opened. This cross-channel capability is unparalleled. So which platform is the best fit for your business right now? Feature: Mailchimp. Brevo, the formerly known as Sendinblue. Winner: Brevo. Best for new users, design-focused, small lists, scalers, agencies, omni-channel. Brevo. Pricing model: charges per subscriber, expensive at scale. Charges per email sent, affordable at scale, Brevo. Automation power, basic/medium, advanced behavior-based, Brevo. Native SMS and chat, no, requires add-ons, yes, built-in, Brevo. Ease of use, excellent, beginner-friendly, very good, takes time to master, Mailchimp. CRM functionality, minimal contact management, full sales pipeline CRM included, Brevo. The conclusion is clear. Mailchimp is the easiest way to send beautiful emails today. Brevo is the smartest way to scale your entire marketing and sales operation affordably tomorrow. To get started with either of these powerful platforms and check out their latest pricing, I've dropped my recommended affiliate links for both right down in the description below. This is the year you choose the right tool for the job. If you found this breakdown of Brevo versus Mailchimp helpful and want to support me, the best way to do that is to use those links in the description of this video when you sign up. Which one are you going to choose for your business? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Tech Biz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.